So your traffic has been quietly dropping for quite some time now, but your Google rankings are still looking fine. Like you're still number 1 or number 2. I just wanted to say that that's a shift that's currently happening, and not a lot of people are currently talking about that. Look, Google now has AI answering searches directly right there at the top of the page. I'm sure you've seen it before. And that is before anyone even clicks any link. You're missing out on a bunch of clicks because they're not clicking on links anymore. They're getting their answer directly in the chatbot. And that's also what this video is kind of about. What has actually happened and what is currently working instead, and what do you need to focus on? Because for like 20 years, Google worked the same way. You wrote something good, it showed up in answers, somebody clicked, you got a visitor, and it was a super simple loop. But that loop is actually quietly breaking right now with AI on the rise, right? So now when somebody searches, a lot of the time it's just the AI answering the quick question right there with 0 click involved. The user got what they wanted right away and moved on. So here's the thing, your content is still being used to build that answer, right? But Google just keeps the traffic themselves. It's not a penalty, it's not an algorithm update, it's just how search works nowadays. So the whole goal used to be get the click. Every SEO trick ever invented was built around that, right? But what if the click isn't happening anymore and users are directly getting their information already? You need a different way of approaching that. And here is how I think you should be doing that. And that is getting mentioned in AI answers. Because when AI answers a question in your space, it names a brand. The brand that's number 1 is the brand that people remember, and they don't even have to click in the moment because they already have the information, but they search for that brand name directly right after. So instead of chasing clicks, you need to start chasing brand mentions and AI search mentions. And honestly, that's about to change everything, because if you aren't optimizing for that, you're going to be wanting to hear the plays I'm saying to you. So play number 1, the way that AI picks what to cite is pretty much just who wrote the clearest answer. So if your content starts with a long intro with a fluffy opener and you're using AI language, you're basically handling someone else's mention before you by dropping down your chances of getting mentioned. So just lead with the actual answer or put a summary on your page. 2 sentences at the top, go into detail, and boom, that's it. I'd say that's pretty solid. And play number 2, make your content easy to extract. AI doesn't read your page the same way human does. It's scanning for clear chunks that it can just easily get and pull out. So short paragraphs help, clean headings help, and a quick summary at the top or bottom, like I said, also drastically helps improving your AI visibility score. And play number 3, you need to show up where AI actually looks. And that is not just your website or an article or a listicle. It's actually forum-based discussion platforms like Reddit, Quora, YouTube comments, forums, places where real users talk about your category or business. A number 1 Reddit thread where somebody genuinely recommends you can outrank 20 blogs talked about your business. Like I said earlier, AI trusts community-driven voices and community-driven opinions about your brand, and it will highly value that above anything else it can find online. So be helpful, not spammy, just present, and make sure that you're in all the relevant sources. And play number 4, change what you're currently measuring, because if you're still chasing for a number 1 ranking in Google, that's actually meaningless in, let's say, a couple months. Right now it still matters a bit, but that will drastically change soon. So every month, ask AI questions, ask it in ChatGPT, ask it in Perplexity and Google AI overviews. And does your brand come up? If that's not the case, you need to start optimizing for that. And that is the real report card we're currently chasing right now. Now, play number 5, build demand for your actual brand name. When somebody searches for you specifically, no one else will be competing with that answer, and it's completely yours. So having somebody Googling your brand or using your brand in an AI chatbot directly is golden, to be honest. People speaking about you in a podcast, in a YouTube video, Reddit thread, or in the comment section somewhere. That is what will convert into a user Googling your brand or using your brand directly into a chatbot. Now, play 3 and 4 are just the community stuff and the mention tracking. And those are the 2 people that tend to drop, right? Because they're genuinely tedious to do by hand, right? To track everything. And that's also exactly why we built CrowdReply. We watch you directly where you're being mentioned. We track what prompts users are using, and you can do that across all the relevant sources of AI, and it shows you exactly the Reddit threads and Quora discussions where you need to be present in order for AI to scrape directly answers about you and include you in its answer. So that's all under one roof in CrowdReply, one dashboard. You can track multiple brands at the same time, so this way you don't have to pull information from all the different sources. You can go directly into CrowdReply and make it happen for yourself. So to wrap this up, 1, lead with the answer. 2, structure your content to be fully extractable. 3, get into the communities that AI likes to cite from like Reddit and Quora. And 4, track your mentions and not just Google rankings. And 5, build real demand for your brand name in those comment sections. None of it was harder than SEO used to be. It's just a different game. So shifting your mindset will drastically help you in the long run, because not a lot of people are doing this right now. And if you're optimizing for AI answers, I can guarantee you, you're going to eat the fruits from this really soon. So if this video was helpful to you, leave a like and subscribe also. And I would love to see you on CrowdReply. We have a 7-day free trial right now, so you can try this out for yourself. And if you need a demo call, I'm always here. You can also book that using the link in our description.